You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is s smaller than 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all s terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract s from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 1 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the s. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2 over 1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is s smaller than 2.